In this demo video, we'll demonstrate some of ChartStory's functionality with a usage scenario. Suppose Jack is a data analyst who's asked to investigate a dataset of global terrorism activities, and then give a presentation about his findings to a group of critical stakeholders. The dataset records 135 dimensions of more than 150,000 terrorist attacks worldwide from 1970 to 2015. Jack conducts an exploratory visual analysis with the dataset and quickly creates several insightful charts using an analytics software. However, he is worried about presenting his findings in a compelling, coherent, and elegant narrative because he has little background in graphics design. Thus, Jack decides to use ChartStory to finish this task.
Jack imports his created charts into ChartStory. Within seconds, a comic-style data story is automatically generated for him. He observes that ChartStory identifies two coherent topics based on his findings in the charts, which are organized into two panels. Jack also finds that ChartStory organizes the charts on each panel in different layouts. The first panel shows one main chart and then two equal-sized smaller charts, whereas the second panel shows one main chart and then two branches with an unequal distribution of the charts. He sees that the panels and layouts mostly make sense. In the first panel, the main chart tells about the yearly trends of all the terrorist attacks in Iraq, and each of the two smaller charts displays a different perspective about the attacks in Baghdad. In the second panel, the main chart shows the attacks across the world, and the first branch is a drill down to countries in the Middle East and North Africa, whereas the other branch indicates the distributions of attacks in Iraq at two different aspects. However, Jack wants to present the second chart first in the second branch, because it regards the distribution of attacks by provinces in Iraq, matching with the geographical aspect of the main chart. He is easily able to switch these two charts in ChartStory. Jack also notices that ChartStory generates captions for each chart and integrates them into the panel layout. The text is mostly based on interesting facts observed from the underlying data of the charts, along with some contextual information for the terms. He browses the text and uses a side panel to further add or remove the facts for a few charts, via a list providing all the available facts. Then, ChartStory automatically updates the corresponding captions, a natural language paragraph describing the chosen facts. After completing the adjustment of layouts and contents, he focuses on refining the presentation styles, such as aspect ratio and font.